Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to explain you how to make CRUD with filament. Okay. Now we need and now I only explain you my filament because I have done to make a filament, and now I want to explain you maybe from the first thing. Okay, the first one is you need to open the Laravel web and then copy this. Okay, go to Visual Studio Code on the terminal and then copy paste this. Okay, delete the example app. What we want to name this folder filament tutorial. Okay, because I have done the making the filament tutorial. This is my terminal is cancelled, and then now we will see my filament tutorial. We will see this. Okay, filament tutorial is this. Okay, now I just making the filament making the Laravel. Now I want to making the filament, and then maybe making the database first, and I have to the database. You can the database is name is filament. Okay, and then for the connecting the database, for successfully connecting the database, you need change this, like this. The DB port is before my DB port is 80000, and then DB username and password is not like this the before. You must need to change this for connecting your database, and then database name is mass filament, and then you must need to write the PHP artisan serve after that. Okay, PHP artisan serve. Wait. Okay, not doing anything. Okay, Laravel 10 is method case. Now we will install the filament. Okay, the first one is you need to copy this and then you must to write the terminal in new terminal and then write new terminal and then paste in this and then you and then wait what we need again, artisan. Okay, one first. Okay, guys. Okay, click return because I have done to download this. Maybe I will not download to second time. Okay, after that, if you just download the filament, you must need the PHP Artisan filament install panel, command C, and then you must command V this. After that ya guys, okay, you must need the point. This is the main point for the PHP. Okay, after that we need to make two user. For user, what you need in using filament. Okay, the user like this ya guys ya, because I have done to make the user. Maybe I will not to make user again, like name Salimon, email Salimon, the password is Salimon, but this is not displayed. Okay, installation. Wait. After making the filament user, we need to PHP Artisan migrate for the connecting for loading for this filament. PHP Artisan migrate in this table, and after we enter the PHP Artisan migrate, the DB will making the many column like this. You can see this. Some many tables with the Laravel, and then film. Wait guys, I feel I want to and now I want to make the demo input the student like this. We need to make this web untuk peserta turnamen kos berkah. The name we only making the two tables, jurusan, and in jurusan is there are ID and name. And then the second is mahasiswa, ID, name, and jurusan ID. And then we will to see what model what okay, getting started maybe. And then we will need this for making the database model. Copy and then paste in this. Okay, big. Okay, the owner I will change to jurusan. I will to change to jurusan like this. This is owner, but I using the jurusan, not owner, same like the mahasiswa. And after this you can see in migrate. Where is migrate? Oh, database migration. Okay, after we making the terminal of this jurusan, will make it in this create jurusan table and create mahasiswa table. Oh iya, he too will make the models too, jurusan PHP, mahasiswa PHP. Okay, we will see the we need the copy paste this and then make in this because I have done. Maybe I want to explain you a little about this. The first one thing is for name, the second name is for name, and the last table for the jurusan ID, but using the table foreign, not string again, and then constraint to jurusans, cascade on delete. Okay, after that cascade on delete, wait, Okay, we only making two table. The first one is model 2. Okay, the first one we need to back to mahasiswa. Wait, I want to search the belongs to class passion external model. Okay, you need to enter the belongs to for the for mm, in model mahasiswa is need to making the belongs to jurusan, belongs to, and then you must need to. Okay, this is maybe maybe later I will to explain you for variable, but the first one I want to explain about this public function to jurusan, and then return this belongs to jurusan back to jurusan. Okay, the belongs to will be connected to jurusan. Okay, after that we will skip to this magic of the filament. We only need this, and then going to terminal, and then before that we just make the DB and two table and the models. Now we will going to the fantastic fantastic area or good magic coding or this. And because I have done to make this, I will only explain you about that. Okay. Oh, I this is you must to change to jurusan. Okay, the resource of jurusan, and he will making you filament resource PSP jurusan. Like this, jurusan resource PSP, and then you going to Laravel /admin. The effect of what the effect when you enter this is jurusan is will make the Laravel /admin, and you don't to surprise because this is Laravel is making making all for me, like dashboard, like the night mode. We only make Oh yeah, the the first display maybe will like this. Maybe will like this. Wait, I will to fill my email. Okay, the first display is like this. If you enter this, we on we only we only we just to menikmati surfing, no, what the Laravel is doing, ready for we. And then maybe if you get surprised from this, maybe we will need to we will need to continue recording. Okay, you must to make the mahasiswa research like this, like this too. Like mahasiswa. This terminal, if I touch the enter, will make the mahasiswa research like after that. Oh, maybe like this. And then mahasiswa research. No, the first thing is no mahasiswa research, but we need the jurusan research is can to create data, and create data. We need to PHP artisan migrate first. Oh, but if you okay, we will maybe I will to launch continue the learning of this morning. For like this, we will going to mahasiswa research, and then the we columns is, oh wait, maybe from this, from schema components name is for is for oh is for the table of new mahasiswa relationship. For the text input, make name, the text input will make name, and then the form component text input make the name, and the second is for the name. Okay, this form forgot to tell you this form to make the create mahasiswa. Wait, I will tell you about the jurusan. This form to make the name, and this form to make the name, and this to make the jurusan, and you will choose the jurusan because this is not text input but select make jurusan and relationship from jurusan and name. We the this this coding we will take from the jurusan and name like this. I just make the teknik sipil, teknik informatika, teknik biologi, teknik elektro, and teknik dokter. And then if I want to input from this table, we get selection. We can choose from the jurusan of name. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you about how to create the jurusans. Maybe you will to new jurusan like this, but the first maybe you will error like me. You must to change. Wait, I forgot where to change. The first thing maybe this. Oh, you must need to going to form component form. You must to going to component form like this. From this is for making the the can input to db from the user from to db. Okay, maybe we'll to copy this, and then we will change a little for this. Okay, after we pass this, and then this is the perfect. We get name and we need name, and then for the columns is text column. We will search the text column. Text text column. Maybe this text column is not from this document, but we need to write alone, write manually. Wait. Text input data picker, text input data picker, text input uh, you if you want to make the column, you must do tables column like that. Like after that, you must do you need text input. You need text column is you must do text column, and then we will to copy this. Okay, and then make to name this. Okay, the display will be like this, will be like this. mm, okay, after that we'll took. Okay, the good of filament is the we don't need to coding PH, we don't need to coding HTML, we don't need to coding CSS, but we need to know what the function of this filament, what the function of the syntax in the filament. Mm, there is the plus minus. If you want to learn the filament for deep, and then if you okay, after this, if you wait mm, but the page is then like this. Page 1 is for, but we only have 6 major. We only the filament only showing 6 major. For the max length is 10. If you want to 25, if you want to 15, and all, it's depend of you. It's depend of you. And okay, we will to going to create mahasiswa. What what I just to what I just to explain about this. And then if you want to edit the new student, will I will file turn and select the option is doctor, and then create the data, and going to mahasiswa is that is Farhan, Fargan, Farlan, Farkan, Fartan. Oh, okay. And then wait, for the searchable. Oh, wait. If you want to the thing want to searchable, you must to add this for your what you need to searchable like this. Mahasiswas, and then searchable, the username you can search. Coba why want to jurusan name, we will to doctor. We cannot to search the doctor, but if we enter the searchable, the jurusan name is searchable, we will I forgot to refresh it. Doctor. Wait. Doctor. We will get the result of search from doctor like this too. The name only sortable. The sortable like this. You can sort from the above and from the down. Like this too. If you want to make the searchable and sortable like this name, I want to search the Farhan. Okay, like the Farhan. And if we want to search the name, we don't have searchable on name. If you want to search the name, you must to copy this in this table, in this text column. Okay, we will search the name. The first is okay, we don't see, okay, if okay, like this searchable. If you adding the searchable, he will can to searchable again. Okay, searchable. Jurusan name maybe like this only. Okay, maybe this is all have done like this, maybe like this jurusan mahasiswa, and maybe that's all from me. Syukron. Wassalamualaikum. Maybe that's all from me from the Crypt PHP with filament. Syukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.